Is another super clean car that we just got in. This is a 2017 Volkswagen Jetta. It is the 1.4 TS, and it is a one-owner car. So that's always a big plus. And it's also a South Carolina car, so it's southern. You can see exterior is really, really good. Both sides. It's got a little bit of a spot here on, I don't know if you can see that in the paint, but this front bumper's got a couple little spots. I will say that these wheel covers we have ordered, so those are gonna look a lot better. We're gonna get new ones in. Inside, it's got the cloth seats. And like I said, just under 111,000 miles. Got the Bluetooth and runs very well. Let's see, it's got the backup camera there. Here's the button to connect your phone, wherever Ashley is. So like I was mentioning, a Carfax, one owner, no accidents. So just a really good history on this car. Runs and drives great. We're going to be running through it at our shop to take care of anything that's a safety or liability issue. But overall, it's extremely clean. Got a couple little cosmetic things like wear on buttons, but definitely nothing major at all. So if you're looking for a good clean Jetta, this might be the one for you. Our number is 803-853-4300. My name's Tyler. If you have any questions, let me know, and you can find it on our website, turnagemotorco.com. Thank you.